Hi, I'm Dan Norris. I've been training for the past 10 minutes for a heated competition between me and a girl from school named Betty. She thinks she's the fastest sprinter. Yeah, right. Anyways, today I'm training for our race, and I figured I'd film it for those who are running marathons to be inspired by me. Alright, I'm about to go break records with these sprints. Let's do this thing! Ready, set, go! Did you see that? Woo!
You have cones in the roadway. That is obstruction of the roadway. Here's your citation for obstruction of the roadway. You cannot do that.
Let's do this.
Alright, this is a very serious race. Betty, I should warn you, Debbie has trained a whole 10 minutes for this yesterday. Do you think you're up to the challenge? Debbie, do you think you're up to the challenge?
Yeah, give Betty a 3-second head start. I can take her.
Do you really think that's a good idea?
Yes, let's do this thing.
Alright. On my mark. 3, 2, 1, go!